Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best outdoor dog kennels that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Large House Lodge and Porch Deck Kennels. You will love the design and look of this outdoor dog kennel. It gives the impression of a porch home. It can be the best home for your dog that comes with an innovative and impressive design. Your dog will certainly love it. The kennel has a large interior that will offer a lot of room to your dog to enjoy his activities. There will be a spacious front deck to take a nap. During the daytime, your dog will enjoy the indoor activities. In the morning and evening hours, your pet will enjoy the outside environment. You will appreciate the wood construction. At number 4. Iris Wire Pet Pen. Iris is one of the popular names for manufacturing different types of accessories. This kennel is the advent of the Iris. It is a heavy-duty cage designed to help the users to offer a safe and comfortable environment to their dogs. Your dog will love spending time in this cage. It is made of the sturdy wire and an epoxy coating to prevent rusting and other depreciating factors. The assembly will be easy and less time-consuming. At number 3. Advantek Pet Outdoor Dog Kennel. Advantek is known for manufacturing some of the best dog kennels. This is the simple one designed to offer a luxurious and spacious outdoor living to your dog. This kennel will be available in different sizes including large, small, and medium. Besides, it will come with a sunblock roof cover to protect your dog from the weather. The assembly will be easy. No tool is required. At number 2. Oxgord Heavy Duty Metal Dog Playpen. Oxgord Heavy Duty Metal Dog Playpen is a simple dog kennel but can be excellent to offer a safe and secure environment for your pet. The dog will have enough space to play and exercise. It is customizable as well. Besides, you will have the option to connect more playpens to have a zoo-like cage. The best part is that it is foldable and lightweight and can be ideal for the transportation. The setting will take less than 5 minutes. There will be rust-resistant coating to offer a durable result. A door will be included for the easy accessibility. At number 1. Amazon Basics Folding Metal Dog Kennel with Paw Protector. Amazon Basics Folding Metal Dog Kennel with Paw Protector is designed to offer a convenient option to the pet owners to enjoy their dog's outdoor activities. This kennel will come with single and double doors for the side and front entry. Besides, there will be slide bolt latches on the doors to offer security and safety. It is made of the sturdy and quality construction to offer a durable result. It is also foldable that makes it easy for the transport and storage. There is a versatile divider panel that you can adjust depending on the requirements. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.